Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to another video. Today in this video I want to try to connect two DJI transmitters to this Insta360 X3 camera. So I got my camera here, as you can see here, and then I'm gonna take my two transmitters, which are DJI, and we're gonna try to connect them to this camera. So first of all, let's switch on this Insta360 and it's on. Now we're gonna go in settings and make sure the Bluetooth is on, and then now we're gonna switch on the transmitters. So switching on the first one, I'm gonna leave that on the side, and I'm gonna try to switch on another one, and again we'll try to connect both of them on this Insta360 X3 action camera. Cool, so they are both now switched on and we'll try to connect. For some reason this one is not switching on. There you go. Now they should be on both. So we'll try to connect them in the menu. Right, I'll click this icon, and as you can see here, it's appearing to be DJI MIC 2. I believe I won't be able to connect more than one, sadly. Someone asked me on another video previously if I can connect both of them, and that's the video showing you that I cannot connect more than one, I believe. Let's try again. So, okay, so probably I'll need to hold this button, connect. Now should connect, I guess. For some reason, okay, no, connect. So for some reason it is not connecting. Try another one, maybe it'll work. So basically, to connect your DJI MIC transmitter, you have to click on AirPods icon and just hold. For some reason it is not connecting to DJI MIC, and probably I don't know what could be the issue, but probably I'll try to remove this one, DJI MIC, delete. Okay, so no devices. I'll try again. So searching for the DJI MIC transmitters, and let's see how this will gonna work. So it's still searching. It's really weird. It's really weird. Let's try to, okay, put this one here. Try again. Searching for the device again. I don't think I will be able to connect any of them via Bluetooth. As you can see, it's still searching. Nothing found. Okay, that's it. I'll put both of them in pairing mode. Sadly, I can't find any of this DJI MIC transmitters on my X3 Insta360. I don't know what's wrong, but sadly it's still searching and nothing found yet. So to be honest, I don't think you will be able to connect both DJI transmitters via Bluetooth. The best bet for you will be to connect the receiver to the Insta360 camera, and then you'll be able to connect both transmitters to the receiver. Let's try if I'm not able to connect this, we'll try to connect via Type-C USB. this one off. And you need this adapter to connect on the side. There you go. That's here. And let's see. There you go. Cool. So you should be alright to connect your DJI MIC transmitters using this receiver with Type-C USB just plug into your Insta360 camera. For some reason, again, I cannot find my DJI transmitters on my Insta360 X3 camera. I don't know why, but if you're the one was looking to connect both transmitters via Bluetooth to the Insta360 camera, I don't think this will gonna work. As you can see in my case, I can't find any of them. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'll try to hold again. So here you go, it's in pairing mode. I can't find it. So that's pretty much what I want to show you, that you can't connect them to transmitters via Bluetooth to the Insta360 camera. You can connect only using the Type-C USB and just connect to your Insta360 camera, and then that should work fine. That's pretty much, again, that's pretty much what I want to talk to you and to show you. Feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments and I'll reply back as soon as possible. For some reason still searching, so I'll go switch off this camera and just give up. Again, thanks again for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.